Hi guys, welcome to CRG Tech Lab. Today I'm going to show you one Windows 10 feature by which you can increase your level of multitasking to a great extent. Yes, you are absolutely right. If you use this feature, you can enhance your multitasking capability to some extent. So basically, to use this feature, you just have to click on this task view icon. So basically, this task view icon enables you to switch between different virtual desktops. If I click on this icon, you see one desktop is currently on running, another is also in standby. So if you want to switch between this virtual desktop, you just click on this one. You see no shortcut is presented here, no nothing is opening. So if you want to work on this in this virtual desktop, you can do it. You can open different application here. If you want another one, you can do it from here. So this way you can create as many desktop as you want. All these are virtual desktop. So if you want to switch between these names, you can do it. If you want to close any virtual window, you can also do that from here. So this way you can, if you work, your level of multitasking will be increased and you will be able to jiggle between different applications and different tasks in your Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you.